Hi everybody, Professor Benlow here with a little Monday motivation, a little video to get you going for the week. Unit 3 in Telepath will be due tomorrow, June 4th by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, so get that in. So important to get these assignments in. And also, I will be having chat number 4 at our regularly scheduled time. So I hope to see you there. We will be discussing the presidencies of Ronald Reagan, George H.W. Bush, and most importantly, I will be going over Unit 4 discussion board assignment. Okay, let's get to the Unit 4 due dates because that's very important to keep in mind as you go through the week. Okay, your Unit Friday, there's going to be two things due Friday, June 7th. Your Unit 4 Determined Knowledge is going to be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And your Unit 4 Discussion Board Original Post. You should already be diligently working on the Unit 4 Discussion Board assignment. It's an extremely important assignment, so let's get this in. You can do it. Stay CTU strong. Then on Tuesday, the 11th, you're going to have two things due as well. You're going to have your Unit 4 in Telepath due, and you're going to have your Unit 4 Discussion Board responses due on June 11th as well. And keep in mind, my dear students, that your responses are no longer accepted after June 11th. So let's get this in, everybody. I want to motivate you on this great, wonderful Monday morning. And I want to say, let's do this. You can get it done. And please do not hesitate to ask me any questions. Contact me with any questions. Have a great day, everybody.